If you've ever driven in Singapore, you've probably noticed something wild: almost zero potholes. In global quality rankings, Singapore repeatedly claims the #1 spot for best roads in the world. But how does a tiny tropical island maintain ultra-durable roads in extreme heat and heavy rainfall?
First, it's all in the engineering. Singapore's Land Transport Authority, LTA, uses specialized asphalt mixtures designed specifically for high humidity and tropical heat. They even test eco-friendly additives like recycled waste plastic and synthetic fibers into concrete mixes, increasing road durability by up to 30%.
Third, and most importantly, fewer cars mean less wear and tear. Thanks to Singapore's Certificate of Entitlement (COE) system and electronic road pricing (ERP), owning a car is heavily regulated. That keeps vehicle density manageable and limits heavy wear on asphalt layers over time.
Second, Singapore doesn't wait for a hole to form to fix it. They use AI-powered camera vehicles that constantly scan all 9,500-plus lane kilometers of public roads to catch micro cracks before they turn into potholes. Major repairs are done rapidly overnight, so traffic flow during the day remains completely uninterrupted.